Hello, my name is David Sickles. I am the editor of Tire Review, and I am here speaking with Alex Bernke. He is the executive director of the Ohio Tire and Automotive Association, and Jeff Wallach. He is the past president and all-the-time tire guy. Guys, thank you so much for joining me here today. I know you're super busy because you've got this event coming up on March 14th. Alex, can you tell me just a little bit about this event and kind of what you're hoping to accomplish?
Yeah, well, thank you, David, for having me, and always good to be with my good friend, Mr. Wallach. Good to see you, Jeff. We're very excited about our Member Appreciation Night with the Columbus Blue Jackets taking place on March 14th. We've done this event a couple times now with our members, and it's just really a great opportunity for our members to get together for a night of hockey and fun and camaraderie and networking. Not everybody likes to golf, and we try to provide different events. So this is something we tried a few years ago and had a lot of fun, and we're excited to do it again this year.
Absolutely, absolutely. And Jeff, I know that you put a lot of effort and a lot of time into planning these events. What is your pitch to Ohio independent tire dealers to come out for the night?
Well, first of all, thanks for having us, and Alex, good to be with you as well, always. So for us, I think the most important part from the Ohio Tire and Automotive Association is that, we want people who are considering coming to this event to understand that it's first and foremost an opportunity to network with one another, to enjoy some food on the house, and just get to know each other. There's no pressure from us to join the OTAA, although, of course, we want anybody in our industry to be part of the OTAA, and there's lots of things that make it worth their while. But from this specific event, it's really just a relaxed environment, getting together with other people from the industry, talking about some of the challenges that we're all going through, and maybe even some of the things that the OTAA can help us all to work through. But it's just a fun night to get together and enjoy a little bit of hockey.
Fantastic. And Jeff, just for clarity, do you need to be a member of the OTAA to sign up to come to this event?
No, not at all. In fact, we would encourage anybody not part of the OTAA to come check it out. Even if you have no intention of joining, we're perfectly okay with that. It's just going to be an all-around fantastic, really informal and fun evening.
Fantastic, fantastic. And Alex, what are the benefits of joining a group like the OTAA? Obviously, Ohio isn't the only state that has an organization like this to try to support their state's tire dealers. But, from your perspective, what are tire dealers getting from being a part of this organization?
Sure. Great question. So our primary focus is always going to be protecting the bottom line of folks in the tire and automotive industry. And we specifically do that through our advocacy at the State House. And, there's a lot of policies and regulations and laws that can quickly impact any business, and especially true in the tire and automotive industry. So that is our primary focus. But we also recognize, our members are dealing with other challenges. So we provide solutions for hiring. As we know, workforce is a challenge for everyone. And we are very excited about not only the training offerings that we provide, but also some of the new partnerships that we have launched. Specifically, a partnership we just recently launched last year with Career Plug that is an all-in-one hiring platform that really is just a really intuitive HR solution for our members, and we're so excited about being able to provide that. But anyway, we can provide value. We are only as strong as our members, and we're always listening to them and seeking to find new ways to assist their business. So we're always at the table and ready and willing to help folks in the industry.
Excellent, excellent. So Jeff, if somebody is interested in showing up for this event, what is the best way for them to get there? How do you sign up?
Yeah, so we have been really active on social media to promote this event. And we're also working with a company to help us to promote this outside of social media as well. But for us, we've posted this on our Facebook page. We're on Twitter, and we're also on Instagram. And we've posted on all those platforms with a link to sign up for the event. And if anybody's interested in learning just more about the Ohio Tire and Automotive Association, they can go to www.ohiotire.org. We're also going to link to that event from our homepage as well. But the easiest way to find that link is to check out our Facebook page.
Fantastic. Well, gentlemen, thank you so much. I really appreciate your time here. And you put on a great event. I've been in the past, great food, great camaraderie, a good chance to catch up with some old friends. So really, really do appreciate it. Thank you very much. To recap, it's on March 14th, Columbus Blue Jackets game. It should be a great time.
Thank you.
We hope to see folks there. Thanks, David.
Absolutely. Take care.